Check the type and specifications of the installation scenario before installing an AP to determine the installation method and required materials. Ceiling mounting is the preferred scheme. If the AP cannot be mounted on a ceiling due to on-site conditions, mount it on a wall. This video provides instructions on how to mount an AP on a concrete wall. If there is a partition board or hollow brick wall, you can refer to AP mounting on a paper gypsum board ceiling to mount the AP using expansion bolts or wing-typed hollow wall anchors. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation. As AP installation positions may be high, only experts wearing protective gear can perform installation. Do not insert a paper knife deeply into the box when unpacking to prevent damage to the device inside. To mount an AP on a wall, the components and tools displayed above are required. Mark the mounting hole positions on the wall with a marker. Use the group H holes. A level instrument can be used to mark the holes to ensure equilibrium. Drill holes on the wall using an electric drill. The holes should fit the expansion bolts. Hammer the plastic expansion sleeves into the wall. Secure the mounting bracket on the wall. Connect the cable to the correct interface on the AP according to requirements. Clamp the AP on the mounting bracket. A click sound caused by the release lever indicates that the AP is mounted properly. Ensure that the 4 rubber feet fit into the mounting holes. Secure the safety screws. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.